औदु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. On behalf of the management of Islamia group of schools in Keelakarai, I stand before you and thank the management, principal, faculty members, non-teaching staff for having come together to celebrate this grand occasion of the 40th year of the establishment of this school in Keelakarai, a beacon of light to Keelakarai, and we have been listening to the previous speakers who highlighted about the school, about the performance of students passing out of the school. Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless bountiful blessings on this school to produce responsible citizens who can shine in different areas of life. The dignitaries on and off the dais today present here representing the various trusts, colleges, schools, Jamaats who are here to felicitate this occasion. Really, it is a marvelous occasion. We can make out after this COVID-19 pandemic. Really, it is difficult to see people coming together in groups. By the grace of Allah, today we are here with His bountiful blessings to meet each one of you on this occasion and this Ruby Jubilee celebrations by releasing a souvenir, getting the reflections of parents, experts, academicians, the alumni of the school, their feelings, everything is compiled in a beautiful way that we are eagerly waiting to see that souvenir very soon after its release. I wish to tell you that whatever we do in our life, my loving children who are seated before me, that you have to see that how best we contribute back to our own school, to our own society, and to our nation. We are all here as responsible citizens. The society, which is comprising of various families coming together to see the children of future, and we see the best hope in each one of you that you want to achieve in your life. The world is moving very fast, and we need to move with this fastness to see what is essential for our life. So I wish, identify your skills, your potentials, your talents, what is hidden in you, what is going to shape you in future. That is very important. Do not copy from others. What others have, we do not have. What we have, others do not have. So each individual created by the Almighty Allah has given special talents, special potential to each one of us. We need to identify in the journey of life, and don't think that education alone will transform us. Education, along with this beautiful education, what we receive from our school and colleges, that will make you great in the years to come. And you need to have, giving others is a pleasure. And you have to see that always you give others what you can, the love, the affection, the values of life, which will make you great and you become an unique personality and you become a contributor to this nation and to the world. So I wish that this school should come up with many laurels, producing many scientists, doctors, engineers, and in various fields we expect people who can work. There are so many pressing issues, the environmental issues, the global issues, the global warming issues, and we all have taken a stand to combat these issues, to live peacefully around this globe. So I wish that the Keelakarai mass cleaning work has started with the help of so many trusts as well as the Keelakarai Town Development Trust and the IK Jamaat of Keelakarai. Everybody has come together and it is our bounden responsibility to see that we keep our town clean and neat. Make Keelakarai a green city, and with all your cooperation, and you have to see that we live peacefully with clean environment. That is the need of the hour. With these few words, pay your thoughts to all the issues which are burning around us and how we are going to address as an individual, as a student, as a citizen, what is our role. So with these few words, I thank one and all, the management, the parents, the students, the teachers who have contributed and continuously contributing for the growth of this school. May Allah bless all of us. Thank you very much.